Hey everyone, this is Okie Twister 66. It's cold and rainy here in Oklahoma, so I'm going to work in the garage today on my Scout. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to put this on this. So stick around, we'll be right back. Okay, the first thing we've got to do is remove the windshield and fairing. Now, those of you who watched an earlier video of mine will understand that I don't like to leave the fairing off or put it on and off. I'd like to just leave it on the bike. So the question is, why do I want to put this front wire cover on there? And the simple fact is vanity. I know it's there. I know it'll be neat and tidy, and that's what I like. So let's remove this windshield and fairing. Okay, step one to remove the fairing. Unhook the little rubber doodad on both sides and then simply pop the fairing off and set it in a safe place. So this is a very straightforward and simple installation. I've got the part numbers for both the front wire cover and the screws here, and basically here's one of the screws, and it's a T30 Torx. Yeah, T30 Torx. And so now I've already started the one here on this side. It's very loose, but basically it just goes right up and screws into a hole. Tighten it by hand. Leave a little wiggle room, and then we'll do the other side. And then once the other side is down, just kind of hand tight, then we'll get the wrench on there and just make sure it's nice and snug. So I think you'll probably agree we went from this to this. So here it is, all finished. Looks pretty good, I think. What do you think? So I hope you liked the video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and hit the subscribe. This is Okie Twister 66 signing off. Until next time, have fun, be safe, 2 wheels down.